Hey Sean, happy Father's Day. Having a wonderful time with your wonderful girls in New York City. And you know, I always thought you were the most wonderful father. If every girl could have a man like you that's always there, you're always going to know where you are, don't drink, don't smoke. I tell them that they have been very, very lucky. And you're going to be a very good grandfather. And I hope you learn from me. Happy Father's Day. I love you.
One word to describe Daddy is
family-oriented.
Spirits. Inventive.
Funny.
Hardworking.
Alright,
One of my favorite things about Daddy is that he's really patient with us, and even when he gets upset, he tries to talk it out before he starts yelling at us.
he likes to play video games with us sometimes. I don't know, him just playing with us. Like, it's not like I have a main memory, it's just the little stuff that happens.